Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix and display again site URL field, home URL field in WP option table in phpmyadmin for WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WP option table, but you don't see any site URL, home URL field. So we are going to fix it. So when you define site URL and home URL in wp-config.php file, so after that, mostly in cases in WP option table, both site URL and home hide. Now go to wp-config.php file and then you see we define WP home and site URL in wp-config.php file. So you can remove it and then click on save changes. Now you see, so click on it. Now file is saving. Now file save done. Go to phpmyadmin again. So click on it. Now refresh the page. So we are in WP option table and then you see site URL, home URL, option value. So we remove code from wp-config.php file. So if any case after removing code from wp-config.php file, you don't see site URL home, now go to search. So click on it and then you see option name like. So write a site URL, searching. Now you see you find value. Again click on search. Now in option name like home, click on go again, searching. Now you see showing row, option ID, option name, home, option value. So in this way you can fix this issue. So after that, site URL and home field display again in WP option table in phpmyadmin for WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.